In this video, we'll talk about juicing and energy. One of the most amazing aspects of juicing is how it can boost your energy to new heights. This is especially important as we grow older. All those fruits and veggies know how to do their job. These days, we live in a high-energy world with many of us trying to fit 26 hours into a 24-hour day. It's exhausting. Many people have developed the habit of consuming toxic so-called energy drinks to get an added energy boost. We all want to feel more energetic, but at what cost? The dangerous side effects of these energy drinks are well known and as follows. Energy drinks. Drinking too many caffeinated energy drinks can prove lethal. These drinks force the heart to work harder, which can lead to serious health problems. People with chronic heart conditions are especially at risk. A study revealed that over 4,500 calls were made to poison control centers by people who consumed too many of these toxic drinks. Even at their most benign, studies show that drinking energy drinks affected cardiac rhythm in a significant way. Drinking energy drinks every day causes migraine headaches due to caffeine withdrawal when the drinker tries to stop this daily habit. The body becomes addicted to the caffeine. Large quantities of the energy drink can cause panic attacks and anxiety. This can lead to bad performance and emotional issues. The purpose of energy drinks is to rev up the brain, which leads to an insomnia and other sleep problems. Sleep deprivation can cause additional problems such as difficulty in concentrating. Energy drinks have a high sugar content, which can exacerbate or cause type 2 diabetes conditions. An abundance of energy drinks can cause serious dehydration. Energy drinks deplete the body of needed liquid instead of replenishing it. Energy drinks can elevate blood pressure to an abnormally high level. Those who are experiencing high blood pressure are placed at risk for possible strokes due to the high caffeine content. More energy is a worthwhile goal, but why rely on toxic energy drinks and suffer the consequences? Fruit juices provide an abundance of energy by providing the body with the healthy nutrients it needs. If you are serious about boosting your energy, toss the energy drink and reach for the juice. Juices for energy. Homemade V8 juice. Ingredients: 3 tomatoes, 1 onion, 2 celery stalks, 2 carrots, a half a green bell pepper, 1 garlic clove, 2 cups of water, lemon juice, and horseradish to taste. Directions: roughly chop the vegetables and garlic and process all ingredients through the juicer. Pineapple juice boost. Ingredients: 2 cups chopped pineapple, 1 orange, 1-inch nub of grated ginger. Directions: peel the orange and place all the ingredients in the juicer. Serve over ice. Kale Boost. Ingredients: bunch of kale, 1 cup coconut milk or coconut water, 1 chopped apple, 1 tablespoon melted coconut oil, a half a cup of ground nuts. Directions: process the kale, coconut oil, chopped apple, and coconut milk through the juicer. If your juicer is powerful enough, add the ground nuts. If not, simply stir them into the juice. Beet and apple juice. Ingredients: 1 beet, 1 apple, 3 celery stalks, 1-inch grated ginger nub. Directions: chunk the vegetables and add all ingredients to the juicer. Apple Plus juice. Ingredients: 2 apples, 4 carrots, 1 cup spinach, 1 cup broccoli florets. Directions: chunk the apples and vegetables, add all ingredients to a juicer, and serve over ice. Power vegetable juice. Ingredients: 3 carrots, 2 celery stalks, 1 green pepper, 1 apple. Directions: cut up and process the ingredients through a juicer.